Did you know? The world's longest rivers stretch across continents, shaping history and civilizations. Let's dive in. Amur River, 4,444 kilometers. The Amur forms a natural border between Russia and China. Congo River, 4,700 kilometers. It's the deepest river in the world, reaching over 220 meters. Paraná River, 4,880 kilometers. Home to Itaipu Dam, one of the world's largest hydroelectric plants. Ob-Irtish River, 5,410 kilometers. Flows into the Arctic Ocean, freezing in winter. Yellow River, 5,464 kilometers. Called the cradle of Chinese civilization, but also China's sorrow due to devastating floods. Yenisei River, 5,539 kilometers. One of the largest Arctic draining river systems. Mississippi-Missouri River, 6,275 kilometers. The second longest river system in North America, supporting millions of people. Yangtze River, 6,300 kilometers. The longest river in Asia, and home to the massive Three Gorges Dam. Amazon River, 7,062 kilometers. It discharges more water than any other river, and is surrounded by the Amazon rainforest. Nile River, 7,088 kilometers. The longest river in the world and the lifeline of ancient Egypt. Rivers are the lifeblood of our planet. Which one fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and follow for more amazing facts.